Hello everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to use the MT4 app. So first of all, you go into your Play Store or your App Store, and then you type for MT Meta Trader 4. You can see it's over there. So you're going to download the app, which is over here, and then it will show you on your screen, and then this is the app that you need to play. So you click on app, and then you go into settings to log in into your account. So you press on the new account, and then you log in to an existing account. So you choose the broker, which is the MSC Group Real. You click on it and you log into the password that you register. So you can back it, and then you will see the quote, which is on the bottom left corner. This is the currency that are really famous around the world, and you can see we have 8 over here, and in this section we have 2 functions that we offer for you. So on your left screen we have like a pencil thing. This is where you delete the currency that you feel like you don't want to play it anymore. Just click on the currency, any currency, and then you will see the trust bottom appear on your right screen. So you just click on it, it will disappear. So you can back, and then on your right corner you will see like the plus bottom. Plus bottom is where you want to add more currency that you want to play. We have a lot of currency. You can choose any currency that you want. You just click on the plus bottom, it will be appear on the quote. As you can see, EU or GBP, it will be appear on the bottom. So moving on to the second one, it's called chart. Chart is where the candle of the currencies are moving. So we have on your left screen we have the minute frame for the currency. We have 1 minute till an hour, or you can see we can set it into a week or a month depending on which one do you want. And also on your right screen we have the trade. This is where you want to trade the currency. So you can choose any currency that you want and you can trade it. So moving on to the trade is where you make the order of your currency. You can close or win depend on the profit that you have. And as you can see, if you want to close the profit, you just slide right, and then you will see the tick bottom. This is where you want to close it. You want to win or you want to lose, you can close it depending on you. So if you want, so I want to close this one, I just click this one, and then you will see do you want to decide I want to close with the lose or not. I just this will confirm it, then this will be appear in the history. It is over here. As you can see, this is the currency and the trade order that I was closing. As you can see over here, this is the currency that I was closed a moment ago. It's like 10/4 and 2021, and you can see the hour over there. And this is where you store all the information about your closing order. You can set it for a week, a month, or even like any time of day that you want to see your currency, like exact date. So you can close it, you can choose it any currency that you choose the exact date that you will see, and you will see it. I show you on the bottom side over here. As you can see, this is my order for the last month. You see a lot of profit from it. So this is all from me. So thank you for watching and listening to our video. And if you have any question above, you can drop a comment down below. Thank you.